Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you claim trades points, how to challenge parallel world chapter of Centurions event in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new to this game. Still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap this event, the Centurions event, and jump into the main chapter first. So welcome to the Centurions. Choose your favorite Centurions players and earn them by completing challenge. So you have to choose your hero or your player first, Zico or Van Nistelrooy. In this case, I choose Van Nistelrooy as my Centurions player. This is for next week. So after you choose one of your player, jump into the parallel world. So you have to claim these trade points, 100 trade points, by playing these skill games and also match games. So you can making progress here. For example, if you win in this match, you get 50 trade progress. So total there are 100 progress that you have to achieve. So let's claim, because I already 100% progress. Tap to open, and we got speed trade points, passing trade points, and shooting trade points. So after I earn the trade points, you can purchase, for example, this speed or passing or shooting. You have to purchase 5 times to get Van Nistelrooy or Zico. This is the condition. Unlocks after purchasing in speed store 5 times, or unlock after purchasing in passing store 5 times, and unlock after purchasing in shooting store 5 times. I give you example here. So purchase with 100 speed trades, tap to purchase, tap to open, and we get the 20 gem. As you can see, this is one purchase, so you need 5 time purchase to get Nistelrooy or Zico. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.